We have our slim outside corner post for Vesta. We've got it installed in this little assembly here so we can get a really good look at it. So this guy is installed on the corner of the home. So it's got one nailing flange on one side of it. And what you do for installation is I'll cut a scrap piece, I'll put it in here on this side inside this J receiver, hold it against the wall, that sets this side, and I'll run my nails or my screws down the length of the corner posts. So after the corner post is installed, we've got our starter strip down below. We run our starter strip just a little bit away from the nailing flange so they don't interfere with one another. And then we stack our panels up just like the field of panels, but we've put them inside. It's a tight fit and it's a slim reveal. So we've gotten really good traction with this one. Everybody's really liked the aesthetics of it. And it's a nice little piece to install. A couple things to look out for. You want to make sure that you've got it good and square, that you leave the correct gap inside the J, so that way you don't get any unsightly gaps.